up, my love bugs? This is your girl Dluvly, and thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate your love, your support, and clicking on that thumbnail. So today, let's just go ahead and dive right into it. We are in my kitchen. It is very small, but that's okay because I have a vision. One day it's gonna be humongous. But until then, we are going to organize my kitchen drawers. And you know, if what they say, organized house, organized kitchen makes an organized life. So guys, let's just go ahead and jump into this video. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so now. Don't forget to hit that like button. Please comment and share this video, guys. Share, like, comment, and hit that bell notification so you will be notified each and every time I download a video. So yes, let's just jump into these kitchen drawers. So to start off, these kitchen drawers are a living nightmare. I can never find anything when it goes to finding my utensils to cook with or open a bottle of wine or whatever. And today I have these kitchen drawer organizational bamboo trays that I'm going to organize drawers, guys. Just get into this. Let me go ahead and let me show you. Okay guys, right here I have the organic bamboo expandable tray holder. I also have this convenient storage dispense aluminum foil, plastic wrap, and wax paper holder. I really like this. It's dual compartment, so you can store again your wax paper, your aluminum foil, your plastic wrap, whichever one that you desire. And I also got another one. I went ahead and opened this bamboo tray up because I wanted to see how it was going to work. But it is expandable and it has several compartments to put your utensils in. And also guys, I went to World Market, purchased some gold and silver knives. They only had one of these, which I was a little upset about, but that's okay. I'm gonna go online to see if I can find any more. But anyway, I got some of these spoons from Amazon and World Market, and forks. I have another fork, but it's dirty because I already started using them. But I wanted to upgrade my utensils. I'm in with the gold, so you know, all for aesthetic reasons and upgrading stuff. I like how things look. I love gold, black, white. Anyway, so when I seen these, I had to grab them. I definitely have to get another knife. So let's just go ahead and jump into this video, guys. Here is a junk drawer. Like I say, I got the little dispensary, so I can just place that in the drawer. But we're gonna take out all this junk right here because half of the stuff I probably don't even use. Here is another drawer that is just laying flat. I have miscellaneous utensils in this drawer that I use not every day, but you know, when I'm cooking or whatever. And then I already had purchased this last year, expandable bamboo tray. So we're just gonna go through this and clean out what I don't need, like the plastic wraps and like salt and pepper stuff that I don't need. I also got these stainless steel straws, so I already used 2 of them. I want to go ahead and take them out and put them in the drawer. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and organize, clean out this drawer, and make it a little bit more neater and get rid of things that I don't need. Like this don't supposed to be right here.
This feeling won't stop beating me alive. It must be something that I might have done twice. I don't want to think about it cause it's holding me back. Cause every time I do I feel so under attack. Well, not again with you. I'm getting
is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me.
And I'm gonna put this bamboo tray in. Let me open it up. Let's see how far this expands out now that I have got the drawer, everything out the drawer and cleaned it out. Let's see. Okay, so this one is like the one that I have with my souvenirs. I mean, this is like the one I have with my forks and spoons in. So we don't have a drawer. The drawer is not quite big as the other one, but it still works. And I still can expand it over just a tad bit. See, I want you guys to get a good view. The sun is going down, so I'm sorry for the lighting, but it expands a little bit in the drawer, so that's a great thing. So let's just go ahead and put back the utensils in this drawer. It's looking so good already, guys. Listen, I have a weakness for kitchen gadgets, for gadgets around the house. You know, this is the home edit channel. Get your organization skills on. You hear me? Stop playing. Stop acting like y'all don't know what this channel is all about. It's about a lot of everything, but you know, mainly it's about house stuff. You know, getting your life organized, staying organized. A clean house, an organized life. You hear me? So that's what we doing. That is the goal. These are grill utensils. I actually will be cooking on the grill later on today, so I will be using one of those. The next one and the last one is the utensil drawer. So I already have some of the gold stuff, the gold utensil stuff in the water, and I just got to take the stickers off that and get rid of stuff that I don't need in this drawer, and we will be done. We'll be finished.
Talk to me. Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me?
Now that that's all cleaned out, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the utensils that I will be keeping and what I will be getting rid of. I'm just gonna get rid of it.
Yeah, I need you present. Instead of giving me presents, you're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page, tonight we can stay. And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Love language. Love language. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Love language.
Alright, you guys, I am all done, completed, and organized. It didn't take a very long time, and of course I am satisfied with how everything came out. I did get rid of some items and I didn't put some items in here yet because I want it to be aesthetically pleasing for you guys, you know. But this is how the overall look came out. So much organized. I love the gold silver detail and the little bamboo honey sticks that you get the honey up with. I like how that turned out. All right, you guys, and this is the miscellaneous drawer. I have everything compartmentalized, things that I use on the regular base, and these things over here that's in the little corner I don't use as much, so I just stuck them right there. But everything just came out so beautifully. I'm liking the results. It's so, again, it's organized, and that's what I'm going for. Okay guys, and the last drawer, which is a miscellaneous drawer as well. These are my Ziploc bags I put over here in this compartment. This is a some plastic gloves when I have seafood boil night. I like to use gloves so my hands won't get as messy. Another wine cork opener. I have my ink pen, super glue over here, my chicken and steak gaugers. When I cook, I don't want to overcook anything, so I use that one from time to time. And this is my lighter and my electronically lighter. Back here is my little sushi wrapper thing, more matches. And I also bought this, guys, and I forgot to use this, but anyway, it is wire bag clips. I'm gonna take them out and use them. Yeah, there. And then my bamboo tray for the aluminum foil and the parchment paper. So yeah, that completes everything, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, have watched. I hope that I have inspired you guys. And again, don't forget to comment on the photo that links with this video, because I am having a giveaway on July 31st, and you do not want to miss that giveaway. So yeah guys, I will chat with you in my next video. Bye.